no, I'm sorry, boys. I went off piste.
So weird. What makes engineering at Cryptio unique is the direct impact we have on the business. It is not unusual for engineers to not fully understand how the work they do ties back to growth of the company. And Cryptio is in the opposite situation.
Engineers are very close to the product here and very close to the problems that we're trying to solve. This means that we can go from ideation to something very tangible within the product very quickly.
There's a very high demand in our industry for solutions to very large problems. So the more we solve, the faster we solve these problems, the more impact we can make.
The technical problems we work on at Cryptio are genuinely difficult. We deal with millions to billions of monthly transactions being ingested across complex calculations, reconciliations, and data transformations. So that means efficiency really matters. You're not just building CRUD workflows, you're thinking about performance, correctness, and how these systems behave at scale.
What makes the work interesting at Cryptio is that there isn't an obvious template. You're working from first principles and you're building from the ground up solutions across accounting, optimization, stablecoins, but also like loan management and even like reconciliation.
We use Rust to power a lot of our core systems here at Cryptio because security, predictability, and runtime efficiency is incredibly important in this environment. At this scale, good code is the difference between systems that can close reconciliations quickly and reliably and systems that crumble under real-world complexity.
The quality bar at Cryptio is very high and the ego is very low, and people here are strong technically. They like to collaborate with each other, and they especially like to help each other and teach each other how to solve complex problems.
We move quickly, but we care about getting things right. We are trusted by world's most prestigious financial institutions, and we have to live up to their expectations, which means our software has to be fast and reliable, and our insights have to be trustworthy.
Cryptio is helping some of the biggest players in the digital asset economy, and increasingly we are helping institutions as they enter the space because of the capital markets moving on-chain. That makes the work technically challenging, but also it feels like it's really impactful.
The kind of engineer that thrives in Cryptio is an engineer who wants autonomy, wants to work on very difficult problems, and doesn't mind pushing through these problems whenever the solution is not clear.
Engineers that are curious, but also that don't wait to be told, that want to tackle new challenges, and that when they see a problem, they truly want to solve it.
There aren't many environments when you have this level of autonomy, scale, technical depth, and real-world consequences. If you want to build systems that power the future of institutional digital asset finance, it's a very special place to be.